done. Then we can go home. You know what I mean? Go home. Yeah, oyster. Doesn't matter if you did it this morning, yesterday, a week ago, or a month ago. Always stir. Now we don't need to fully cover the backs because they're going to sit over the top of drawers like that. So we don't need to cover that bit. It's going to be covered by the drawers. This wood is super dry. This wood is old. These are the boards that came off of the garage roof. So they're probably at least 50, 60, maybe 70 years old. Back first. That's why I only sanded a little bit on the back as well. Don't waste your pads, don't waste your electricity, don't waste your time. I mean, don't get me wrong, it needs to be pretty and all that, but you'll be doing this forever otherwise. Not what I want to do. Bigger plans. Get it covered, don't fuck around. Yeah, you'll probably hear me swear a lot. Just the way I am. Just go with it. So how you doing? Busy? It's snowing out today now. Do like a bit of snow. Well, for the first couple of weeks anyway. Then it gets boring, then it gets old. By the time you've shoveled about 30 bloody times. Good old Minnesota, I suppose. Yeah, boy, I would say fast as fuck, and I'm probably gonna. Yeah, I reuse these. If I need to throw them away, kind of a waste. Clean up my mess. Lovely jubbly. A little bit thinner. I know they're only cheap, but if you can afford to buy hundreds of these things, then you go for it. Well, it takes a few seconds. And that's it, I get to use it again. Find some rags. There we go. Just wipe off the excess. Won't take long. The swirlies in it. Keeps that age. We should do this more often. Pop over when you're bored and chat. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? And we'll be putting another coat on top of that as well. Everything in this house is either dark walnut or it's a double coat of special walnut, and once that's dry we go over the top with golden oak and it just makes it a little bit warmer. Doesn't look so flat. Nice. See, just crack on and it won't take long, does it? Now we can clock off and be done. There you go. Pretty. I'm just going to use a jig. Countersinking them, so when we put the bolts in they'll sit flush, so when it sits up against the drawer box it won't stick out.